पाउट पाउट
अरे ओ जाने मन फिर से
So it's not going to look very good. But let me just say that this is a very proud day for me as a younger brother, as an actor as well. Dishyam has always been a film that I'm going to be super duper proud of in my filmography. And just the way it's won people's hearts, and I don't know if I've not told you all the story, but nowadays whenever I go in a car, if I'm going anywhere for rehearsals or anything, people look at me and they're like,
Oh,
so it's
that is
become
so
so
cool.
just through sign language, it's like it's like that's Dishyam, and then they like it, and that's the way they communicate, and that's what means the most, more than the numbers, more than anything, it's people's love and adulation. That's what, and I just want to thank the media that's over here. It's been raining, but wherever we've gone in the country, especially in Bombay, because Mumbai mein itna bura raha hai barish. You all have come everywhere, the photographers, the camera people, the journalists. So really appreciate that you all have helped us push this movie, honestly, guys.
That's so amazing. A big hand. Janeman. Okay, now we're done, Janeman. Now we're done. Alright, I'd like to open the floor for questions. हमारे दोस्त हैं मीडिया से जो आए हैं. I'm sure you have questions. Man bun, for example. So if you could please raise your hand if you have a question, we'd love to take that. Sir, in the yellow shirt, you look lovely. Please, सवाल.
दो के बारे मैं क्या कहूँ, वो बस फैन आर्ट था. एक पोस्टर आया था इंटरनेट पे जहाँ अक्षय कुमार जी और जैकी चैन को भी जोड़ा गया था डिशुम 2 के साथ. बट आई थिंक साजिद सर एंड रोहित शुड आंसर दैट कि क्या आप डिशुम भाग 2 बनाना चाहते हैं?
You mean डिशुम हाँ, तो वो अगर बनेगी, obviously if we find a exciting enough script and journey for Kabir and Junaid to come back to, but इतना तो जाहिर है, एक ही मतलब कम से एक हफ्ता भी नहीं हुआ अभी तक, but कबीर और जुनैद को बहुत प्यार मिला है and they're extremely iconic characters, and I've got a feeling that people would welcome them back, if there's another part. करेक्ट, एक्चुअली बहुत इंटरेस्ट दिखाया उन्होंने कि पूरी टीम को पिक्चर देखनी है फिलहाल वेस्ट इंडीज में, एंड बाय द टाइम टीम पोर्ट ऑफ स्पेन पहुंचे अगले टेस्ट के लिए, विल बी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ स्क्रीनिंग फॉर देम. They are all very excited about the film because they've heard that the cricket has been shot in an extremely realistic manner, and we've dealt with the cricketer also like a soldier, he's like a martyr in the film. वो देशभक्त है वो character.
So what's really cool is that Mohinder Amarnath ji film में भी है, and he really liked the film. He was very happy with the way the cricket was shot and the way we've shown Indian cricketer, and उन्होंने एक personal message भी भेजा रोहित को. So I think that means a lot when someone as great as him gives you a thumbs up. And जैसे कि रोहित ने कहा कि साजिद सर ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे कि पोर्ट ऑफ स्पेन में हम लोग हमारे इंडियन टीम को शायद दिखा दे पिक्चर.
I think internationally, I can speak about internationally because he really influenced me to get into films, and that's Stallone. Sylvester Stallone is someone I really look up to, and I've always told Sajid, you have to introduce me to him because he's had the good fortune of working with him, and I'd love to meet him one day. And I think in India, there are a number of actors, I think from the old times, I think Dharmendra was absolutely fantastic. He was a man's man. And I think as recent as Akshay Kumar is a real khiladi, and he's absolutely fantastic. So I think we've had some Sunny Deol is absolutely outstanding.
I have to say Sunny Deol, he's something else only. Broken walls, jumped from 50 feet high, and nothing happens to him. He's the guy. I think not only me but everyone in their childhood कभी ना कभी हम लोग ने सनी देओल को देखा. सनी पाजी का जो एक्चुअल डिशुम है जो आता है, you actually feel कि वो मतलब आदमी उठता नहीं उठ जाता है genuinely.
Thank you.
Do well in this industry. There's no point कि हम लोग एक फिल्म अच्छा करेंगे तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि दूसरी फिल्म को बुरा करना है. We should hope and pray कि दोनों करें, क्योंकि हम सबकी रोजी रोटी उससे ही चलती है. जब फिल्में चलते हैं तो हम लोग चलते हैं. And where biopics are concerned, I think they're very interesting and very cool. And right now मेरे दिमाग में टॉप ऑफ माई हेड ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं किसका किरदार निभाऊं. बट आई लाइक प्लेइंग रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स. जैसे ABCD 2 में मैंने सुरेश का किरदार निभाया था, जो भी एक रियल कैरेक्टर था. सो मे बी कॉमन मैन हुज हीरोइक स्टोरी हैज नॉट बीन टोल्ड. जैसे एक कोई भी इंसान जिसने कुछ हीरोइक किया पर उसका जो स्टोरी है वो किसी ने अब तक दिखाया नहीं है, किसी को पता नहीं है, तो शायद वो भी बता दूं तो इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। रघु का कैरेक्टर जो बदलापुर में था वो भी एक असली इंसान पे आधारित था। उनका नाम नहीं लिया हम लोगों ने, बट इट वाज ऑन अ रियल मैन हु वेंट थ्रू दैट। सो
I told Sajid I haven't signed on any film after Force 2. He's saying you're waiting in the slips. So I think perfect. इन्होंने जो कहा वो सही कहा है कि मैं slips में खड़ा हुआ भी and I'm just waiting for something interesting. I don't know what's going to come my way, but like every actor, I think I'm hoping for a good script.
Strong at the box office अभी तक?
नो नॉट रियली, आई थिंक वो एक महीना चला गया।
नंदू
Yeah.
every film has its space and they gets its collection, so ऐसे कोई बात नहीं है।
अगर इफ यू वांट टू नो वन रीजन दिस आई ट्रूली बिलीव जो हर फिल्म को इफेक्ट करती है, वो हमारी फिल्म ही नहीं बट हर फिल्म, सुल्तान को, कबाली को, एवरी फिल्म्स कलेक्शन हैज बीन इफेक्टेड बाय दिस एंड दैट्स पायरेसी। सो
Not partial.
Actually, I wouldn't want to pass it on at this point in time. Genuinely, I think I'll keep it and I'll own it and I'll enjoy it. I'll savor every moment of it. I've got
I'll have to fight him till the end
Love
to
to
get it
sing
back
in
to
action,
them.
John.
Thank you, Mala.
But
Thank
if
you.
you really had to pass on the vision, come on, one day.
I'll tell you a couple of definitely I think Varun's and I'm not saying this because he's here, but I've seen him. This is the first time he's done action. He's done a fantastic job. I think Tiger is lovely, and I think from the youngsters, I think these two boys are absolutely fantastic. But like I said, Akshay would never have passed that baton on because he's fantastic. I wouldn't do the same because I enjoy that space, and just as much as we enjoy it, I hope, like you're saying, I hope there's a whole lot of youngsters who really enjoy that space as well as much as I do and not get hurt.